Guys, I haven't picked up the camera all week. All week. You know what? You know what it is? Fall is here. And when fall comes around, I don't know. It's like when the time changes. And let me fix my hair, because girl, I done damaged my head just with this braid. Like the little bit of hair that I had coming in after my postpartum shedding, I just completely like took it out. I just wiped it out by putting these heavy braids on my hair, like my own natural hair. I put these things and now my edges are like gone again. So your girl over here is gonna be bald for the fall. But anyhow, I locked the door. Make sure you have a key. You don't have a key? No. Oh, let me let this child in the house. But like I was saying, Maddie, come here. I gotta let this kid. These kids are going in and out with their father. But yeah, when fall comes, I get into this funky mood, and I don't know why, because I love fall. I love fall, and fall is like my favorite season and everything. But I don't like when the Destiny. Yeah. Oh, come here, Ellie. Gosh. Yeah. Take Madison out of that room and close the door, because look at her. Look at her. Look. You guys should see this little human come with stuff. It is funny. Why are you running? Why are you running? You know you did something wrong, didn't you? Sissy gone again? Why do you have so much stuff in your hand? But, you know, when fall comes, it brings with it, the sun goes down a bit earlier, and it's just, I don't like the darkness. I don't like darkness. I love sunshines. And it's the reason why I call you guys my sunshines. Because this is what truly makes me happy, is doing YouTube. Because since I've been doing YouTube, I've not gotten paid for it. I mean, I've gotten paid, but I've not taken the money out of the account. So my money is just sitting in my AdSense account, you know, just building and building. But I'm just saying, Mommy, I could do it from the bar. Oh, okay. Oh my gosh, I forgot to show you guys. Come here, girls. So the girls are matching. So Destiny's wearing her shirt, and then Maddie's wearing her tiny one. Maddie, don't show us your butt. Maddie's wearing her shirt. But yeah, like I was saying, fall. I love fall. I love fall. I love pumpkin spice. I love everything. Excuse me. Nice. Thank you. But I don't like the darkness. I don't like when the sun sets late, earlier, and it's just like, ugh. But what was I getting ready to say? Yeah, I haven't picked up the camera all week, and that's just because I don't know. Whenever time it gets around this time of year, my mood shifts. I don't know why my mood shift. And if I've not explained to you guys, I suffer from anxiety, which I was put on medication for severe anxiety and depression, and that medicine totally messed me up. It worked for a while, like for a long time I was on it, and it worked really well. But if I missed it, like if I missed my dose, say I take it at 7 p.m. and I miss my dose at 7 p.m. and I take it, you know, 8, 9-ish, my body would start to like literally start to shake. Like I would have jitters, and my whole world would just be spinning. Like I could not lie out to you guys. I can't function off of that medicine when I was on it. And when I got pregnant with Maddie, man, it kicked my butt to get off of it, because I was like, I am not taking no medication with this child whatsoever, because I took medication with the twins, and Jason came out with hypospadias. He was born. Nobody can say for a fact that the medicines that I was on for my depression and anxiety back then is what caused this birth defect, but I was for a fact was not taking any more medication with any of my pregnancy. I didn't take any medication with Destiny. I didn't take any medication with Jackson. And I sure was not going to take any medication with Madison, because I was like, no, I'm not doing it. So it kicked my butt to get off of that medication when I got pregnant with Maddie. And it was kind of weird being off of meds and having anxiety. Like, my whole pregnancy, I was stuck inside the house and stuff. The whole summer long, the whole pregnancy and stuff. But slowly, over time, you know, I've learned to, you know, cope. And then my husband is a big help with my anxiety and stuff, because he can get stuff done faster than how I can do it. Like, I will take forever in a day just to do one thing. My husband will take literally 5 minutes, when it will take me probably 2 hours to do that same thing. So he helps a lot, like tremendously, you know. And I give my husband credit, because, you know, I wouldn't be the person I am today without him. But I'm just saying. So when it comes around this time of year, I notice a shift in my mood. Like, you know, I will slowly start to, you know, not go to places that I would go to in the summer. I stopped talking to people. I stopped calling people. I stopped socializing. All of that. I slowly just start to go back in my little shell. And I don't want to do that. I want to continue to, you know, make progress and be, you know, who I am. But I must say though, females, I met one, I'm trying to be more outgoing and, you know, introduce more different type of people in my life.
Yeah.
And I met this one female, and I'm like, this is one of the reasons why I don't hang out with females, because she was messy with her mouth. Like, her mouth would have gotten her in trouble, because the group of girls that we belong to, I met her through one person. I met all of them through one person. And she just came, and she didn't know how close I was with the other girls or stuff like that. And then she just came out and just started spitting at the mouth. She was like, you know, I'm not gonna say anything because I don't know how close you guys are with this person and stuff. And she was just messy, and I'm like, I don't like that type of females, because I don't want to get caught up in anybody's drama, because I have children. I have little girls. I don't have time to be caught up in drama. I have a family to raise, you know what I mean? And most females strive off of, you know, being messy and talking about other people and stuff like that. And I'm just like, you know what? I don't want to be messy. I don't want to be caught up in your drama, this, that, and I'm just like, do I really want to...
Hi, kids.
Say hi.
Hi.
This guy went to the pumpkin, was it the pumpkin patch?
Yeah.
He got a pumpkin today. Can you show them your pumpkin? And he wants me to carve a pumpkin. We don't carve pumpkins, but I let them participate. And
we don't celebrate Halloween.
We don't celebrate Halloween. But I don't think pumpkin has anything to do with Halloween. Comment down below if it does, but I don't think it does. I think it's so innocent.
It's celebration. It's like decorating.
Yeah, so this is Jackson's pumpkin. Did you pick it?
Yeah.
Yeah. This is a beautiful pumpkin, and I like it. It's a nice shaped pumpkin. Are you proud of your pumpkin? You want to carve it? Oh, dude. Well, go ask Daddy if he can use a knife, because I don't have any anything to carve pumpkins, because we don't carve pumpkins.
That's what Daddy said. Your battery's dying.
Yeah, anyways, I gotta go. I'll talk to you guys later.
Huh? Yeah.
Good morning, guys. Whew, it was a rush to get these kids. It was a rush to get these kids out the house. They stayed up all night yesterday, just taking my braids out, and then I had to wash my hair. And then last night my husband got mad because it was like after 12, a little after 12. Well, it wasn't even 12 a.m. I was blow drying my hair because I had to get the knots out of it. So the easiest way to do it is to blow dry it and just I lost a lot of hair. Like my hair is still shedding, and I lost my edges again because the braids that I don't know why I sit here. Yeah, so I lost my edges again. As you guys can see, I lost the edges again, but I'm not too worried because they will grow back. I'm so tempted to cut my hair off. It's like I'm so tempted to cut it off. Like it just keeps shedding, like, you know, and I'm like, where's all this hair coming from? But I have a lot of like really about 3 to 4 inch of hair that grows in from where the shedding, I've been shedding since postpartum. But my hair is all kinds, my hair is all kind of crazy today, and I don't know, yeah. So my husband got mad because I was blow drying my hair, and I guess the noise from the blow dryer woke him up, so he got angry that I was blow drying my hair. But it just, I don't know, I feel like I feel like everything in our marriage is all about my husband. Like, my husband gets to make all the decisions. Well, not all the, I wouldn't say all the decisions. I feel like my husband gets to do whatever he wants when he wants, and then I don't know, I can't say that. At that moment, that's how I felt. Like, I felt like my husband dictates how things get done. But at the same time, it was like 12 a.m. You know, it was like 12 a.m. and he was trying to sleep to go to work. So, but at the same time, I had to wash my hair, and the only time I can actually do anything to my hair is when Maddie sleeps. So you can't really blame me because I chose to wash my hair at a ridiculous time in the morning. Well, it was the morning. It was like close to midnight, you know, and for him to get upset because he has to go to work, but at the same time I have to wash my hair, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna go call him in a little bit and try to talk to him, because I don't like when we're not speaking. Because I have this nasty habit, like, if you say something to me and it irritates me, I won't speak to you. And that's a bad habit, you know what I mean? It's a bad habit where I shut people out. I don't know, I do that, but I need to not do that anymore, because that's not nice. I'm not doing anything today because I don't have my car. I don't have my car. My husband has my car. He gets my car 2 days out of the week. We done came to that agreement that he would have my car 2 days out of the week or 3 days out of the week. Either the beginning of the week or the ending of the week. So I don't have my car. And I'm just so tempted to go purchase a new vehicle, you know, but I know we can't right now. But I'm tempted to. I'm just like, let's rent for the rest of our lives and go get a vehicle. But that's not realistic, and that's not being a responsible adult with 5 children. So yeah. Anyways, I made cookies yesterday. I forgot to show you guys. I made cookies. Hold on. Yeah, so I made cookies yesterday, and a bunch of them are already gone because I gave I gave some for the kids' lunches. They had some yesterday for dessert for dinner. And yeah. So anyways, I'm gonna end this clip, well, this whole thing. I didn't do a vlog because, yeah, I've just been in a funk lately. Like I was telling you guys, when it's fall, even though I love fall season, I get in these really weird feelings and phase and stuff. So I just get in my feelings around fall, and I just have to remind myself that it's okay. Yes, it's okay. I'm gonna go take care of this little one and get her dressed for the day. So I will talk to you guys on Monday. But anyways, I'm gonna go take care of this little girl and I will see you guys. I will talk to you guys on Monday. Have a good weekend, guys. Bye.